Today on the bench, I have a fantastically well-preserved Lord Elgin caliber 760. It is the first and really only modern bidirectional automatic movement that the American watchmaking industry ever designed and produced. It was made from 1958 to 1963, and it's a chronometer quality movement thanks to its flat free-sprung hairspring, as well as a stud carrier regulator with friction gear. It also incorporates the unique DuraBalance regulator, which utilizes a balance with two regulating weights that are shifted simultaneously along spiral-shaped spokes using a regulator lever. According to a 1961 advertisement, it took 6 months to make one of these start to finish and started at, not topped out, started at $100, more than $1,000 in today's money.